Okay, now
Didn't you get the memo? I'm old and tired.
take a look at this, and there's actually something which says about this one, which says that, which face.
Anterior.
Yeah, how do you know that? Without flipping it over, this side gives you enough information to say that this side is the anterior side. What says that?
There's a little bit of posterior wall left, anterior.
A lot of
Well, look at this.
centrum
Look at the
semiovalli.
slope of these walls.
Right.
You see now, as the forceps minor develops here between the lateral ventricles and its volume increases, it forces them apart that way. So, so initially the ventricles are there in the hemispheres, but there's essentially no forceps minor. But as the axons grow, you know, from one prefrontal cortex to the other one, wrapping around the back of the longitudinal fissure here, and the volume of the forceps minor increases, it forces the fronts of the anterior horns apart. So they look like this, you know, when viewed from above. That means the walls of the horn slope this way, from anterolateral toward posteromedial. See, so you can see that right there. Look at the slope of the wall. So the two ventricles were forced apart by the presence of the forceps minor here in a more anterior section. Now they're converging on the more posterior part of the anterior horns, and to do that they have to go from anterolateral toward posteromedial. So the two lateral ventricles were sticking out of, projecting forward like this, you know, projecting anterolaterally. So you can see that slope of the wall that goes with that.
Why do we?
See that? So that the two ventricles are converging posteromedially. That's what the slope of the wall says. So this says that this side has to be the more anterior side. Okay?
Right.
All right, so now let's go back a little further and maybe we'll look at this one.
He's on his own. He's gonna move. He's got his own kind of hair. Everybody.
I'm showing the profile.
There's one particular one that I want to show you. So where it is, it might be this one.
Should give him a Paulie D haircut.
And on the menu for today is brain a la carte. Whatever.
Okay. And then that's one I want to show. There's one anterior to this